everybody, welcome to another edition of Global Cooking Joy, and today we're trying out the electric Blackstone Griddle tabletop. I'm cooking up some breakfast. Alrighty, so we're going to be making some eggs on my electric Blackstone Griddle. My first time doing it, so bear with me. I'm using these O-rings that are a silicone base. I found them at Walmart because with the electric griddle, everything you use cannot be metal. It actually has to be silicone based, is what Blackstone recommends. Look how perfect these eggs came out using the silicone ring on my electric Blackstone griddle. Take a look for yourself. That'll put a smile on any Sunday.